Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and a clean surface. This prevents interruptions and lets you focus. Once the laptop is charged or connected, open the lid and wake the machine. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your settings so keys produce expected characters. If you use function lock or an external numeric keypad, disable them now. Adjust screen angle and seating for proper wrist alignment. Doing this first reduces strain and helps you type with accuracy as you move into active key testing and personalization. You methodically press each key in a text editor to verify output and notice any sticky or dead keys. Once done, open keyboard settings to tune repeat rate and delay so held keys behave predictably. This affects typing speed and control. Make sure function keys and special media keys are mapped correctly. Use manufacturer hotkeys or system preferences. If your laptop has a backlight, set brightness and timeout. Finally, configure input languages and shortcuts so switching is seamless while you work. You finish by personalizing shortcuts and remapping seldom-used keys to boost efficiency. Many OS tools make this quick. Once done, perform a gentle cleaning cycle. Use compressed air between keys and an isopropyl swab for stuck keys, then verify operation again. If a key still fails, restart the system and reinstall or update keyboard drivers. Run built-in diagnostics next. If hardware issues remain, consider external USB keyboard or service. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.